Yeah. I heard something, yeah. It's moving. This is my new career. Yeah. The back tire is locked over here. Dennis is going to reposition the truck so we're at an angle to pull it straight out from right here so we don't get hung up on the bunch of rocks in that tree. Then ball the trailer right to here. I say that like I know what I'm talking about. I'll cut that out of the video. Still steering box feels good. Yep. You're good.
Look at this, it's got the Formula V wheels anymore. My chimney guy told me about the car when I was getting some stuff. He said, hey, I know where all these bugs are. This lady wants to get rid of it. So I said, okay, I'll check them out. So here we are. And basically, she said it's a 61. I'm not so sure. It might be a 62. I think it's an anthracite 62. She said she drove the car. Who knows how many years ago now. But we're going to save it. It's a small window car. And it's got a factory, but it's got a her shifter in it. I guess we're not gonna get the doors open. Headliner's pretty cool. You see that, Peter? That was what was left was over after the bathroom renovation.
It's like the carpet samples.
Yeah, some tile. Look at that. It's got the radio. It's all right. She's a crusty McCruster. But I fixed worse every day of my life. But hey, we're gonna try to save it. I got enough parts to get it going. Just sold 3 cars that were nicer than this heap. So drag this out of the woods. Look at this thing. Woo, baby. Comes with a $5 bottle of brake fluid.
It's got the original glove box.
It has a
12-volt relay in there.
Yeah, that's right. 12-volt conversion, I think. It's cool, man. Termites come with it, I guess.
I think we lost the muffler down there in the woods. It ripped off.
Muffler's right there.
Oh no, the other half of it is over there. We lost this bit of plastic. I don't even know what that is. Oh, here's the rest of the muffler. Tailpipe.
Thing got dual exhaust.
There's a pack of cigarettes.
Look at this aftermarket tinny fender. I don't know. Come on, Peter. Couple fenders, knock the rust off this thing. Little paint stripper, we're good to go. Alright guys, so we got this thing finally on the trailer. Weren't really equipped. I haven't pulled the car in a long time. I'm no professional. I spend a lot of time in the shop, but We had Peter over here giving me a hand. We used a busted up come along. Don't lend your tools out to your friends. They never come back the way that they're supposed to be. But here's this big old heap. But we love it. We love it. This makes no sense, you know? But hey, maybe we'll get it a new life. It's not a bad car. It's crusty in all the right places. And I got a lot of parts laying around the shop, so I think we could do it. Get some WD-40, help this bad boy out. Maybe give it a pressure wash, and half the rust will be at the car wash. So until next time, cheers.